The platform. The platform is based on a multiplayer quiz game and can be used to create communication campaigns adapted to the needs of each client. The game. The game is a multiplayer quiz game in 2 phases. Qualifying rounds, starting with 4 players until 3 of them are eliminated. It is eliminated in each round the one with the worst score. The grand final. If the player passes to the final, he will play 3 rounds of questions against Master Quiz. There are 4 types of questions. Classic. You are shown 4 answers. You have to choose the right one. If you answer correctly, you win 2 points. If you fail, you get 0 points. Risky. You are shown 4 answers. You have to choose the right one. If you answer correctly, you win 4 points. If you fail, you lose 2 points. Mad Dog. There are 4 possible answers, but you only get to see 3 of them. The other one is hidden. If you choose the right answer, you win 6 points. If you fail, you lose 3 points. Kamikaze. You have to write down the answer. If you get it right, you win 12 points. Otherwise, you lose 4 points. The player who is participating in each moment is the only one who answers the questions of each type, according to their choice, that are made throughout the game. The opponents are virtual players randomly chosen from a total of 30. The questions of these players are generated dynamically in each game, and their level of proficiency, probability of correct answer, can be adapted in each case. By default in the qualifying rounds is 50%, and in the final, Master Quiz has 80%. The players. There are 3 types of players that can be registered in the game. Team leaders. They can create different teams and register the team players within each team. Team player. Who belong to one of the teams that the team leader has registered. Individual players. They are registered individually and do not belong to any team. Each of them can configure their avatar, play the game, and appear in the different rankings. Team leaders can create competitions among their players and invite other team leaders to join them. Languages. Currently English and Spanish, others on demand. Hosting and technical support. In each campaign, we take care of hosting the platform. For this, we deploy an exclusive cloud server adjusted to the needs of the client and the campaign, with the possibility of increasing the resources if the project requires it over time. Throughout the campaign, we provide technical support for the resolution of incidents that may arise. Implementation and customization of the platform. To create a campaign, in collaboration with the client, the following actions are carried out on demand. Graphic adaptation, to adjust to the client's look and feel, or to provide a specific one for this campaign. Choice of the type of players, if teams are required with a team leader and their corresponding players, or individual players, or both types, depending on the target audience. Level of proficiency of the opponents in the qualifying rounds or Master Quiz in the final. Special features, to be determined jointly with the client. Adaptation of statistics and reports to obtain. Language or languages, if more than one, of the game. As an additional feature, since all the details of the activity of the game are recorded in the database of the game, befitting of the campaign, a basic analysis of big data can be specifically treated with the collected data. The requirements of this analysis would be evaluated jointly with the client. Marketing of the platform. The platform is marketed through use licenses for a fixed period, usually 1 year, and renewable for equal periods.